So everybody wanted an update video on this here, so it's gonna drain and spin now. Working good. Use it once a week. Had to put it on blocks because this wood floor, otherwise it just shakes and just bounces because it's an old wood bouncy floor. And other than that, it works good. I got it on warm temperature, extra large, and I had it on heavy. Now it's doing the rinse here, which it usually does. So yeah, that's been working pretty good. I sure impressed with Speed Queen. My grandma had a 1970 Speed Queen and it just quit working in 2009. And then she got a Whirlpool Cabrio and that thing was junk. The bearings just went out. It didn't even last, well, 2009 to now. That's not very many years. She said she misses her Speed Queen, but she couldn't get parts for the 1970s. We were trying to keep it going, but the tub was leaking and stuff, but it looked just like this exactly. Just had that old tan color back here, and I think it was white too. I think it was, or was it tan? Looked just like that inside, just like it, exact same thing. Only hers, you know, the water come out through the tubs instead of above. So yeah, there's an update on that. Still working good. You see it's not shaking too bad, so yeah. Pretty good washer. I like it a lot. Sure worth $950 versus them stupid LG front loader crap. That's for sure.